Well, this is hopefully the last time you're going to watch me cleaning something, because we are assembling the old 350. So I'm just scrubbing down the mating surfaces for the head gasket. Let's see how filthy that is, Steve. That's filthy. Now I'm going to go ahead and clean out the bores. That's some Marvel Mystery Oil, and we're going to give that a good old scrub down until no more grey and black and metal filings come out. I guess you could use ATF, but MMO is what I had laying around. Oh, time to grab the cam. There we go, one camshaft. And that is some assembly lube onto the lobes. Oh wait, no, those are the journals. The driven assembly grease is going onto the lobes. And that is a high ZDDP assembly lube, so we don't wipe them the second it starts. And now just gently wiggle it on through there. And it's just about to, there we go, it is seated in the cam bearings. Then we'll put in the rear main seal. That is a 2-piece, and it is a Viton seal from small block Ford. And then it's time to start putting in the main bearings. Ah, isn't that satisfying? That's number 1. That's number 2. That's messing around with number 3. Number 3 is also the thrust in an olds, if you cared. There we go. And there's number 4. And there is number 5. Nice lick of assembly lube, and in goes Mr. Crankshaft. Oh, there we go. Now it's starting to look like something. So we'll put on the bearing caps. And there is number 1's bearing cap. Now to torque these guys down to spec. Don't remember what the torque spec is, but I don't know, 80, 100, some sort of foot-pounds. They're all in there though. Oh, and do note the 2 feeler gauges there to make sure that the spacing on the cap is equal front and rear. Oh, look at all those bearing caps. Those aren't bearing caps. Yeah, they are. Those are the rod caps. So this is the very first piston going in. There we go. Now it's flipped back over, and all of those bearing caps are getting torqued to spec. Again, I forget how much it is. All of the foot-pounds. Look at the foot-pounds going on there. And then I decided I would give it a quick lick of engine oil, some lube, and now we're putting on the oil pan gasket. And things just kind of turned into a slideshow here because the GoPro ran out of juice. That is the crank assembled and everything torqued down. And that is the block with the crank in it, ready to be assembled. That is after the pistons have been fitted and the caps torqued down. There is with the heads on, so jump the gun there. Oh, there we go. How nice do the heads look assembled onto that block? And they're a little bit out of order. There's the pistons. Boy oh boy are they some big pistons. Anyway, that looks like everything that we have for this video.